everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make dragonfly. So let's start. First, you need to make a circle. And then make the eyes. And make a smile. Then make the antennas. Then make the body. Then the stripes. Then the wings. Color the wings and antennas. First the wings. Make sure like and subscribe. And then antennas. Color the wings dark. Color the body orange. Now draw the cheeks. Color the cheeks pink. You can make background with some flowers and the sun over here. It's finished. Look, thank you for watching my video. See you soon.